everyone, this episode will be the first episode for the practical section. After teaching all those basics, I will start teach how to build a bot. So first of all, open Visual Studio and create a new project. So click File and create a new project. Choose Python. I'll name it bot. Name it here, the project name, bot IQ V1 and create. I will also teach how to create a UI in this episode. So open Qt Designer. Okay, select the main window. Okay, main window here and create. So I'm going to design in this tab only. But let me tell you about the bot we are creating today. So the bot I'm teaching today is a price conditional bot, and it will trade according to the candlesticks colors. So firstly, Control S to save. I'm saving in Drive C in a folder named UI right here. Okay, I'll name it bot IQ. Okay, so first step, insert line edit for user and the password. Okay, adjust the size of the box. Okay, so next click here one time, then press Ctrl and hold, then drag the box here to copy it. Okay, so this box will be for the password. Next is create a button. So insert push button and change the name to login. Here it is, our huge push button for login. Okay, adjust the size, then try Ctrl I and type. Okay, it's usable. Then click right to change style sheet and edit the font to bigger size and bold. Okay, and apply. Copy the code here to okay, and Control to try. Okay, it works. So then change style sheet for another box and paste the code. And okay. Click this box and go to the property. Look up echo. This will show up and change here to password. So when we Ctrl R and type the password, it will show like this to hide the password. Okay. Adjust this a bit. Then click the main window to change its maximum size. Change the size according to the geometry of your window right here. So in my case, I'm changing mine to 437 and height to 663. It can be smaller but cannot be any bigger. So before moving on, Ctrl S to save just in case. Next is designing the label. This will be for the accounts balance box. Okay. Let's put it here. Okay. Delete here first. Next, I'm changing the background color to black. Okay. Change style sheet to black, the background to black, and font to green. Okay, insert another label again, and this one I'm going to put balance inside. Oh. Maybe I'll just duplicate this box and change the size and then insert balance. Okay, the size. Okay, and then balance. And change to bold and the size to 16. Apply to see. I think it's too big, so change to 14 already. Apply. Okay. Actually, the design part is up to your personal preference. It's totally up to you. Okay. This is just my preference. Next, I'll insert a group box right here. Let's move let's adjust the size a bit. Okay. Then I'll put the balance box inside. Okay, adjust it. Okay. Then duplicate this box for the status. Okay. Then, okay, status. Okay, duplicate balance box and insert status instead. So here we'll be showing the status of your login. So this box will show if your login is successful or not, or fail. In this box. I'll adjust the side a bit more. Okay, I think it's perfect. So next is for the currency pair. So I'll duplicate this box and put it here. Change to bigger size. Duplicate this box too and insert currency. Then Control R to check if it's working. Okay, it's working perfectly. So copy this whole line for the amount of money. Okay, I'll insert amount. It's okay, it doesn't need to be beautiful, just usable is enough. Okay. Here they are, currency and amount of money we're going to trade. And next is for a time frame. So I'll just duplicate this again. And let's say TF for time frame. Okay. Adjust the size. It doesn't need to be big because, yeah, time frame is just a small number. Don't duplicate it. And click right to change the style sheet and change background color to black. Okay, and I'm changing this to RT for time limit. Then Control R to try. Okay, it is working. Next, change the font color inside because it wasn't visible. So, okay, let me adjust the size of the box first. Next, change the font color to green and the size to bold and 14. And copy the code and apply to every other box. Okay. And for the time frame too. And the last one, time limit. Okay, what else? There are already the currency, the amount of money you're gonna trade, the time frame, and time limit. If you have time, you can adjust and decorate. Go ahead, but I'm really not good at this. So anyway, the bot I'm making today is a price conditional bot based on the candlesticks color. So it's going to trade relative to the color of the candlestick. There are only two colors here. They are red and green, as you can see. So for example, if it's red or goes down, just trade down accordingly. Okay, so first insert a label by copying this. This will be for the open price and for the close price. Okay. Okay, let's copy this one. Okay. Copy this one and change to plain text. Oh, wrong. So change rich text and change the text alignment to be in the middle and type open. It will look like this for the open price. Copy it. Oh, wait. Okay, next copy it and then change the text here. Open to close. So these two boxes are for showing the open and close prices. Okay. Here it is, open price and close price. Okay. I want to change it to all black theme, but first I'm gonna arrange this first. Okay. I'll insert a group box first and put bot 1 here. Okay, adjust the text to bold and 12, a bit bigger, and the background color to black and the font color to green. Okay. Okay, then arranged it. Okay. Then copy this box and change to open. I'll change the background color to white first so it will be easier to see, and I will change back to black once it's done. Okay, and duplicate it the whole line after finish arranging. Okay, perfect. Okay, and this one is for close price. Okay. Here they are. Next, I'm going to add a button to order. So, okay, duplicate from the login button and change to run. Duplicate it again and change to stop. Like this. Resize it. Okay, I think I'll put it outside. It's better. Okay, right here. So when it shows the open price and close price, I want it to tell the candlestick color too. So next box is going to be for candlestick. Then copy this again. And change to candlestick color. Let's do it again. Okay, candlestick and colon, and change the size. Add colon. Okay. Okay. Then copy this for the result color. I'm changing the background color to black again. Okay. Apply and then save the work. Okay, move the two button here. And adjust the window size. Done. Next, open the folder that I saved it in Drive C. The file that's named taste.ui. Okay, then open Anaconda and click right to run as admin. Okay, then type cd. Oh, it's wrong. Wait, it's already correct. Okay, cd. Then copy the file address right here of the file that I put here. Copy it. and paste. Then type PYUIC5-X and followed by your file name. Mine is iq.ui and dash O to rename. I'll stay the same. So iq.py for Python. And click right to open with Sublime Text. Next, copy the whole thing. A tip from me is that you don't have to do like this. Just choose the starting point and press Shift and hold, and then click the ending point, which is here. It will select the whole thing. Then Ctrl C to copy and then paste it. Try run it. You will see the window of your own bot right here. Very easy. So let's get started. Enter. Then go to IQ option API site and copy this code to import first, and then put it and then put it here. Scroll down before E. Okay. Choose the first line and press tab and DEF and log in and put self as argument. Enter user equal to self. So come look at this box. It is a username receiver. I have to use its object name, which is line edit right here. And the password box object name is line edit too. So this is self.line_edit.text and brackets. Okay, enter. Wait. No. Okay. Password equal to self.line_edit.text and brackets, the same. Enter. And API equal to IQ option. Then put user and password variables inside the brackets. This is an order to receive both username and password. Then log into IQ option like this. Then API.connect here. So after receiving username and password, there are two possible results, which are true or false. I'm going to use the true one to see if it's correct or not. So firstly, I'm going to create a variable in front of this code, in front of API.connect. I'm going to insert IQCH, IQCH1, which stands for IQ check. Okay. After that, enter, and if IQCH1 equal, wait, I need to, okay, a space, equal to true, it means if the login is successful, it will show on the status, which is label 3. Okay, it will show that the login is okay. So Okay, so firstly I'm going to put self dot label level 3 dot set text and put login okay inside like this, just to show if it's true, which means it's successful. It will show login okay. Then else, same as here, but change okay to no as unsuccessful login, because else means if not. Like this. You can change the words based on your own understanding, but I choose okay and no because it's easy to understand. Okay. Next, let's taste if it works. So first, put self dot push button, which is this one. Push button dot click CLICKED dot connect and self login as an argument inside the brackets. Okay, this means if there is a click on login button, it will connect to the function I just created. So the function is right here, this one. Then start. Let's try by inserting the wrong username and password first. Login. See, it works and it shows login now as unsuccessful login. Next, insert the real username and password. Okay, and then password. Login. Now it shows login okay. I'll adjust this first. So click right here, bring to front. Next is to taste. Firstly, I got to click the signal. Signal locates over here. Then drag this box down here. Select text change. And then set text. Okay. Control R and type something to check. Now it also shows right here. Then Control C to exit the text. Next, adjust these two boxes. Okay, bring to front. And then change style sheet. There is no text, so add font first. Adjust font style to bold and size to 10. Apply it, copy, and then paste the code right here to apply. So taste again. Do the same thing. Okay, Control R and try to type something. I think the font size is too small, so I'm changing it. Okay. Change it to 20. Okay, it's too big, so let's try 15. Okay, perfect. So copy the code to apply to another one. Apply and done. Also delete down here. And next is to check if here is working too. So signal, text change, set text and OK. Control R and type. Oh, it's also a bit too small. Get back first and change style sheet and paste the same code. Then apply, Control R, type something. I think it should be a bit bigger than this, so let's change to 18 and try it again. Type something. Okay, perfect. So copy the code and apply to another box, to the close box. Also delete down here. Okay. Then open Anaconda. Copy here, paste and enter. Then close the Sublime text and back to the UI folder. Open this program with Sublime again. And then copy from here to here to here. And paste it on Python, same as where we copy from. So I copy starting from here, from, and then I'm gonna replace it here. Okay. Next, copy the rest too, and then replace it right here. And run. Okay, log in now. Now type in the username and the password. See, login, okay. Next is balance. After login is successful, you need to see the balance. So first, create a variable. A variable BA equal to API dot get balance. Get balance. And brackets, okay. Then self dot label dot set num and BA inside of brackets and start. Okay, next insert your username and password again and log in. Now it is showing the balance of mine, 47,994, same as here. So after that currency pair, amount of money, time frame, and time limit right here. Here they are. So, okay. Firstly, def bot run and brackets. I'm going to create a function of this one. So let's see each box object name first. Okay. Here it is. Line it is 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So the first one, CA. You can use anything that based on your understanding, but CA in my case is for currency. So CA equal to self dot line edit 3 dot text and brackets. So copy the whole line and paste for other 3 terms. What's next? Next is, okay, line edit 4. So next is amount. I'll use ATM. And line edit 4. So next is line edit 5 and 6. So after the amount is the time frame. So I'm using TF for time frame and RT for the time limit. And done. Next is to get the candlesticks information. So firstly, I'm going to use a stream code. Okay, wait. Get the stream code first. Okay. I'm going to use this stream code right here. Paste here and change to API and change goal to CA for currency and size to TF for time frame, and the last one is 1. I'm not teaching about this value yet because it is not used often. Next is real-time code. Okay, this one. Copy this. Okay, I'm using a while true loop. Okay, RT, no. Let's say CART equal to, and paste the code and change to here, change to API. And change here same as above, CA and TF. Then for CARTS in CART colon dot keys, and yeah, add brackets and also a list in front so it won't show any errors. Then open equal brackets, square brackets, and followed by the open. And put CARTS, this one, inside the square brackets. Copy it and change open to close. Let's see if it works. So print open, comma, and leave blank, and then close. Like this. Okay, it's not going to work until I put a run button. It is, let's see. It is here, the push run button, the push button 4. So, I'm going to add here self dot push button 4 dot click dot connect. This one doesn't need to include self, so I can copy the bot run by the way and paste. Now try login first. Okay, so run it. And then log in. Insert the username and password again. Log in. Login is successful. Then insert the currency pair USD JPY and time frame at 60 seconds. It's going to show error for sure because here I need to add int, stand for integer, since it is a number, but I put here as text. It should be as string, so I have to add int first, like this, int and tl inside brackets. Done. So now I'm a developer. It would be difficult and slow for me to log in every single time. So firstly, insert a chart here and also here. And then I'm gonna tell it straight away what is my username and what is my password. So when every time I click login, it will log in automatically like this. Okay. And then my password and okay, and then start. So log in. See, it can log in like right away, and then currency USD JPY, amount of money 1, time frame 60 seconds, and time limit at 1. And then try run it. Now it is printing the open and close prices. Right now it is a doji candle. As you can see, both prices are equal. So, let's see the, okay. Let's see the graph too. Close prices are changing most of the time because the open price is more stable. Here it is moving now. Is it? Okay, it is moving now, as you can see. So after check, it works perfectly. So next I'm going to create a condition. So, self, okay, show here level 10 and level 11. So self dot level 10 dot set num open. So copy and paste here and change to 11 and close. Next, qt core dot qscore delete it first. So let's see if it's going to show out here. Let's try this one first before adding the qt core. Start and login. Insert every box the same as always. USD JPY 1, 60 and 1. And run. I think it is freezing. See, it's freezing now. So I'm going to add the qt core. Let's see how many qt core are there. Let's okay, qt core dot a Let's look up it first. That is a quite long code. So let's get it somewhere else. So qtcore.application.process event. Let's see. I think I already wrote it right, so I'll just paste here and change Qt to capital. This will help the UI works faster and better. Qt core application if process event. Here it is. This one. So Qt core. Let's add Python. Okay, Qt core. I think it needs to be pink, or else it won't work. So change it to pink, and then Q core dot application. Okay, let's copy from here. Q core application dot process dot event. Oh wait, let's try it again. And run. Oh, there's an error. Let's see what's wrong. So copy from here and paste it. Oh, I see now. I forgot an S. Now try run it again. Insert the same. See, it works now. It is also working real time as it is changing. See, it is moving same as the graph. Yeah, it is. Done. Next is Candlestick Color. So it works like this. If it's higher than the open price, it's going to be green, but if it's lower, it's going to be red. So the term of lower or higher is that you can see right from the graph right here. See, it's going up and it's showing green, and here it's going down, it shows red. It's easy as that. So back to coding. Let's create a variable, but no, start with rs equal to open minus close. This means is equal to open price minus close price, and print rs to see the results. I want to see it first so I know if the decimal is long or not. Okay, log in again and run. Okay, it's very long. Let's see how it usually looks like. Okay, it normally shows only 3 decimal places, so I'm going to insert a percent here. Okay, a percent, then 0.3 F, and a percent here, like this. Then start again. Log in again, insert all the boxes. It is showing exactly what I want now. As you can see, it is negative, so it needs to be red. Let me arrange my desktop first. Oh, it is green right now, but it's negative. Oh, because earlier I wrote open minus close price, so it needs to be opposite. See, it is showing green, but the number is negative. So let me show you calculator. So if the open price is 100 and R minus the close price at 150, 150, the result is negative 50. So it is negative. If it's negative, it is green. And if, let's say, the open price is 100 and the close price is 50, the result is 50 right here. It is positive, so it is red. So if RS is more than 0, it is going to be red, right? So if RS more than 0, then self point dot label label 14. So self dot label 14. Okay, let's look up label 14 first. Okay, here it is. Okay, copy the code. Let's copy from here to here. No, I think only from here to here. Okay. copy it and paste it right away. So I'm going to set the background color. So it needs to be red, right? So let's see the red color code. Okay, do you understand? If it lower than 0, it needs to be red. That's it. So let's see the code of the color. Change the style sheet. Add color, background color to red. Okay, it's 255. Copy it right away. And then put it here. And then else. Now let's say let's say ELIF, because there's also a doji candle. So if RS is lower than 0, it is green. Okay, paste the code and then change the background color to green. Okay. Okay, the middle is 255 and the first one is 0. Okay, last one is else, which means if not. But if not, it means it is a doji candle. It will show gray. So let's get the code color. Okay, there's no gray. I'll just pick from the screen. Okay, let's get this gray. Okay, get the code 217. Okay, copy and paste and insert the color code. Okay, and then try to run it. Try run it often, because if it errors, it can be found easier. Okay, insert the same thing to every boxes. Currency, amount, time frame, time limit, and then run. Okay, it is showing errors. Let's see what's wrong. Let's see what's wrong. Here they are. I added double brackets. Okay, so delete it and run it again. Also, I feel like I write these terms a lot when I log in, so I'm going to do the same as what I did to username and password. Add a shop, and then the currency USD JPY, add a shop again. For the amount is 1 and time frame is 60 and time limit is 1. And a shop. See, it is now showing red. Now it's gray because it is a doji candle. Now it's going green as it's going up. Done. This is just how to show the result. Now I'm going to get started for real. Okay, let's create a variable in state. So put RSS here so it can run right after printing. So let's put an order here, so it will trade after knowing the color, the result color. Here, if no, so put it here, API.by. Let's see the code from here, from the API side, digital. Copy all here and paste. Let me organize all my data first. And close the tab. Okay, and paste again. Arrange it. Then change I want money to API. And here too, to API, and change actives to ATM. No. Change to CA for currency, and then and then int ATM for amount of money, and then change action to call to make an order, and then change duration to int RT for the time limit. Okay, and let's check it. Okay, why there's a lot of brackets? I'll erase one. Let's see. Okay, all of this is an order to trade according to the result of RS. Okay, let's recheck it again. API. Oh, another blanket here. I was confused with these blankets. Okay. Let's try run it. Start. Yes. Errors still occur. Let's see. Let me check. Inconsistent use. Okay, let me check what's going on and what did I do wrong. Okay, I don't see anything. Never mind. I'll delete all and okay. API.by digital spots. What? Okay, by. Okay, this one, digital spots. And CA inside brackets, comma, int ATM, and then call for make an order, and then int RT time limit, Okay. Then add st order. It is for status order. Then comma id equal to this one. And print id if st order equal true, ch order. Next is ch order is to check the order. Ch order equal to API.check when digital v2 id comma when. So true here is to create a loop order. So if sh order equal true, is it equal true? I'll need a break to stop the loop because this is a while true loop. Break. Next is the result of the trade. So if win more than 0, print win and win. And then else print loss. But I have to also attach win with it. So let's check the code. So firstly, starting from the top, if rs is more than 0, save it and change this to put change to put. To put is to sell. Alright. Okay, so after checking the order, it will continue running accordingly. Okay, to not waste any time, I will change the time frame. But first run it first. Okay, let's see the results of this order first and then I'll go change the time frame. Okay, it's green. It's already made an order. So let's change to 10 seconds. And run again. I will not wait because it's already reached 1 hour. Okay. Okay, let's wait for the order. It has already order sale here. Then I'm gonna sell it. See, it shows that I won. So the code can work normally without errors. So let's stop running. Next, is next copy here without the background color. Okay. Copy here and then paste here, and then change, put to call, which means to buy. Okay, let's run it. What happened? Oh, false indent. Okay, delete the space here. Okay, and run. Same process here and wait. And run. Wow. I think this week the graph is very stable, so there are a lot of doji candlesticks. Oh, I think it crashed right here. Is it? So I have to add the QT code again. Okay. Let's wait first. Let's wait for it to order first. Okay. So let's add code by copying here and paste after the while loop, the while true loop, and also here too. Okay, and then try run again. Let me check first. Okay, everything is alright. And run. Login and run. Let's see. Run. Okay, it's order sale as the graph is going down and sale again. Okay, I sealed it. I lost. I think crash again. So yeah, it crashed. See, it is freezing. Oh, let me see what's wrong. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I have to move it here, down here, after a while through loop. Alright. Okay, so before running again, I will delete all automatic login information. So I can log in all over again to recheck all over again. Okay, so delete this and everything. Also username and password. So if it works normally, I want to end the video. Let's see if it works. Oh, many errors occur. Let's see. Oh, because it's because I forgot to delete this. Okay, and this too. Okay, then let's start and run it. So insert here username and the password. Okay, password, and then the currency USD JPY, amount of money, time frame 5, and time limit 1. Let's change to $10 this time, and then run it. I'll see it works normally. Run. Okay, it just order sale. Okay. It works normally. This video has reached an hour already. So here are all basics on creating this bot. How to create a bot based on the candlestick colors. So yeah, next episodes and later on, I will be teaching about how to make a bot for each indicator. I don't want you to get bored by these basics. Okay. Also, sorry for any inconveniences and errors occur during this episode. So yeah, I think it's a wrap. So thank you for watching and goodbye, guys.